Okay, Blimp Road, headed north. Howdy. Oh, that's why they have all them YouTube channels from the Miami boat ramp. And because you get that all day long. Oh, well. Well, I never help them because they just get mad. Learned that a long time ago. Well, there's an easy way to learn. Well, but there is an easy way if you force yourself to do it. You get straight, you put one hand at the 6 o'clock position on the steering wheel, grab a hold tight, and as you're backing up, you move your hand the way you want the trailer to go. It does work. You gotta go slow. You gotta be straight when you get started. Well, if you do what I just said, it's doable. But just think about it, hon. Hand at the 6 o'clock position.
I don't have to think about it. I know how to back.
Grabbed onto the steering wheel.
You do it.
Backing up.
Going backwards, not a half road.
Now that would be a trick. Blimp Road headed north. Still. There's our garbage man. Garbage truck coming. I gotta get behind you. That's our garbage man. We wave at him and he honks at us. And that was him.
That was one of them. I think that's the leaf falling.
Why is today leaf day? Oh, well, he's probably running his route someplace else.
Yep, we got another one coming.
Yep. That must be our other guy. I didn't either because I didn't see him coming.
I always thought it was you work hard and it's just another job. You know?
Yeah, you can smell the truck when it goes by. Okay. This is the end of our Blimp Road video. We're gonna go right because we're going down to the KOA.
Okay.
The Southernmost KOA campground. That way everybody can look at my newest video. I'm sure they'll be thrilled. Since I got my new mount, I could get it inspired. I gotta go down to Fort Zachary Taylor. I gotta go to Bahia Honda. Gotta go to Long Key. Gotta go to Fort Myers. Gotta go to Sublet. Wait, I don't have to go there. Okay, that's the end of the Blimp Road bike ride.